I'm going to be teaching on Lydian mode. Lydian mode is the fourth degree of mode which runs from fa to fa. I'm going to be playing on the key of C, so now we're going to be working on Lydian mode on the key of C. Now the Lydian mode scale runs to be what? Do, re, mi, fi, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fi, sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fi, sol, la, ti, do. Now what happened here is that you are going to raise the fourth degree by semitone, right? Instead of you play do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do on your major scale, what you will now be doing is to play what? Do, re, mi, fi, sol, la, ti, do. That is Lydian mode for you, alright? It's the easiest of all modes. Okay, now, and there is a tweak to easily remember this mode. So if I'm playing on the key of C and I want to play my Lydian mode, all I just need to do is to turn my root, which is my do here, to fa, which is the fourth degree. Alright, and I'll then be playing what? Fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa. Alright, now to which of the keys will I have my key C as fa? You believe me that it's of none other but what? Key G. Alright, on the key of G, I'm going to have this as my fa. So I'll be playing what? Fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa. Alright, now hear it on the saxophone. That is fa, sol, la, ti, do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, ti, la, sol, fa. That is the tweak, alright? Now, and just to play it on the normal scale wise, you can just have it as what? Do, re, mi, fi, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fi, mi, re, do. Alright? That is it. That is the scale for your Lydian mode. So I'm going to be taking it slowly now, and you have it like what?